In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a swim lane diagram in Miro. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it simple and straightforward even if you're new to Miro. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Miro's website by going to miro.com. Miro is a versatile online collaboration tool, popular for its ability to help teams visually conceptualize their work. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to access your Miro account. If you already have an account, click the Sign In button located at the top right corner. You'll have the option to log in using your email and password. For added convenience, you might choose to continue by linking your account with various options such as Google or Microsoft. These integrations can make access quicker while keeping your workflow seamless. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Miro dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all your projects or start a new one. To begin working on your swim lane diagram, look for the Explore Templates button. It's usually visible on your dashboard and is your gateway to a wide array of pre-designed templates that Miro offers. The great thing about using templates is that they save you time and provide a professional aesthetic to your diagrams right out of the box. With the Templates section open, head straight to the search bar. By typing swim lanes into the search bar, you'll be presented with different swim lane templates designed by Miro. These templates offer various styles and structures to cater to a range of needs, from simple processes to more complex workflows. Take your time to browse through the options available. Pick a template that best suits the process you intend to map out. Remember, there's quite a variety, so choose one that aligns well with your goals or personal style preference. Once you've selected an ideal template, click on Use this template. This action will open the template directly onto your Miro board, allowing you to begin customizing it for your specific project. The beauty of Miro lies in its flexibility. Whether it's adjusting the lanes, adding more rows, or rearranging elements, you have full control to tweak the diagram as needed. You can enter your data directly into the diagram slots to reflect your project's details. And there you have it. You've just created a swim lane diagram in Miro. Take a moment to review your work, making any necessary adjustments, and remember that these diagrams are dynamic. Modify them as your project evolves to keep everyone on the same page. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.